Hey, this morning I'm out here at Gator Creek Reserve. Here we go. Pinewood Trail. Some of the ditches are holding water. This swamp here's got some water in it. Beautiful out here. Got the sun poking up. There's some deer right there. So let's go down here and see what it looks like. Here's some remnants of the storm damage from Hurricane Milton. More hurricane damage. I believe this is the actual Gator Creek. Oh, it's flowing now. Looks like I might have to jump over some water right here. And I'm gonna go around. Getting close to the parking area. We'll catch y'all in the next one.